Hello, this is Asher Tufts, and today we're going to look at how we can get a free .edu and .gov backlinks. So let's head over to Google. We're going to use Google as our sort of tool, and we're going to start off by typing site:/.edu. This will tell Google to search for all the sites ending in .edu. We're now going to put powered by WordPress, which will return all of the .edu sites using a WordPress blog. And then we're going to add to the search our keyword, which will search for any content with our keyword inside. As an example, I'm going to use blogging. Hit the search and see what we come back with. 18,900 results. That doesn't mean we're going to get 18,000 links. There's various different things which will stop us from getting a link. One of them is the moderator of the site, the webmaster, has turned off the comments ability, which means we won't be able to, add our link onto that site. You won't be able to comment. The other one is that the comments submitted will be moderated, which means the webmaster will look through all of the comments that have come through. If he likes them, he'll approve them. If he doesn't, he'll unapprove them and they'll be discarded. Obviously, if they're discarded, we never see them again. If they're approved, then we will get the link. This means that we have to write a comment which is quite relevant to the post, and be informative, make it worthwhile, and actually contribute to the article in question. I think it's a small price to pay for actually getting a .edu backlink, as using these search commands in Google, we've got potentially 18,000 pages where we can leave links at the click of a button. So by doing a small amount of extra work to get those links, that's a small price to pay. So let's click on the first one here. You can see that this is a WordPress blog. You can tell that it's got categories, got tags. They've put their own template on there. There we go, powered by WordPress. This is the article, Introduction to Blogging, so it's quite content relevant. Talks a little bit about WordPress 2.7, and then down the bottom there's no comments currently on this article, so we will be the first. We need to write our name, email address, website and comment. In the name, this will be your keyword. In this example, we're using blogging. Email address will be normal, whatever you're using, and your domain will be, your website will be your domain. It's quite a good idea to get into the habit of deep linking. So you'll put your domain, whether it's a store or it's a blog. You can have, instead of just linking directly to the home page, add a sub to that, deep link it to a inner page. This will give you a bit more juice, and then in the comments box you can read the post, make a relevant comment, but try and slip in your domain, which is without a deep link. So you're going to result in having two links. One will be anchored to this text. This will become the link because it will say blogging has written this comment, and the word blogging would be linked to this, whatever you put in here, and then your comment will read an interesting article, I agree, whatever you're gonna write. By the way, I have a website also related to blogging. You can find out a lot of information here at www.yourdomain.com. So you've just got 2 links. Hit submit, providing that this comment then gets accepted. Next time you check back, you'll read this and then it will say 1 comment and you'll be here. That will give you a backlink with a .edu link back to your website for free. So you should take down this URL, create a spreadsheet or a notebook, and just keep track so you can come back and check as to whether the comment has been approved, and tick it off the list. You can then go down through and do as many as you want. Don't hit them all in one day. Slow and steady is by far the best. And then when you finish with them, swap that for a .gov. And there you go. You've got another 25 results. Not so good on the .gov. And you can even do it for military, which is .mil, M-I-L. And there's only 2 results there. But still, it's another 2. It's from another source. And these .gov, edu, and military links are very worthwhile having. The other option you have is, after you've exhausted the WordPress, do powered by vBulletin. And if you don't know what vBulletin is, WordPress is for blogging, vBulletin is for forums. So if we hit the search, you now have another 43 sites, all of them .edu, and they should have some kind of forum on there. Some of them won't be worthwhile. They'll, like this top one's a wiki, and you probably won't get a link on there. But if you get a forum with people contributing, and you are able to sign up to the forum and make some posts, quite often after 10 posts you're allowed to add a signature. In the signature you can write, look at my blogging website at www.yourdomain.com. Then every post after that will include your domain in the signature. So you can go back and post there as many times as you want, use it on a regular basis. You can use that for information, which might spark off ideas for articles on your blog, and at the same time giving you more and more .edu backlinks. And all of this will help you rank higher in the search engines for your chosen keyword. Now, if you are writing about blogs and you've chosen the keyword blogging, you might then go on to choose another keyword, I don't know, about SEO, about how to increase your traffic. So you can then do exactly the same searches with the WordPress, with the vBulletin, you've just changed the keyword. So another 62 sites. Personally, I find the WordPress a bit more easier. It's quicker, more results. You don't have to register for the forums. But when you do get a forum, you can, after you've registered initially, you can go back time and time again. It's very easy. So there you go. This video was from ashertufts.info. I hope you found it interesting. Feel free to sign up to my newsletter, which should be above the video on the website. If you're looking at this on YouTube, check out my website. And thanks for watching.